Hey, what's up YouTube? Gonna do a quick review today of this ammo that I just got and took out today shooting. This is Remington Core-Lokt. Put it in my Remington 700, chambered in 243 Winchester. It's the first time I've ever used this ammo, and I'm sorry to say it's probably going to be the last. Did not have good results with this today. Let me tell you how my day went. I started today shooting this stuff. I've shot it before. This is Fusion, 95 grain for the 243 here, and I think the other one is 100. Only shot 10 rounds today. I wanted to shoot half the box and then kind of compare it. So I started out cold at 100 yards. Got this kind of a 1-inch group here. Pretty pleased with that. So I could tell that my scope was sighted in pretty well, and I'll take that as far as consistency goes. Then I came up here for my next group. Really happy with these two, and then I kind of got this outlier here. So that's looking at about a 1.25" group right there for those three. And then finally, to finish off the 10 rounds, I came down here for this group of 4, and I've got about 1.25" group there. So all in all, I was pretty happy. This stuff was shooting consistently, and I'm not the best shooter in the world. I'm actually kind of getting back into it after many years of not, but I will take that as far as accuracy goes and whatnot. We'll contrast that with the Remington. I put the Remington on after that and got some very different results. So this is 6 rounds, and you'll see here the grouping, same gun, same day, same target, same shooter, but now we've got over a 4-inch group going here between these 6 rounds. And the reason why I put 6 rounds there is because, you know, I was going to do a group of 3, but once I got my first misfire, I kept going just to see how many misfires I was going to get. And sure enough, you'll see here that out of the 11 rounds I attempted, 5 were misfires. That's almost a 50% failure rate. So that's where I just stopped. I'm like, all right, I'm not going to bother with this anymore. First 2 rounds, okay, misfire, 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 misfire. You can see that, you know, still got the bullet in there, but the firing pin has been struck. So not only were the loads obviously pretty inconsistent, but that's, you know, obviously an unacceptable rate of misfire as well. So I don't know what my options are. I got this on sale at Academy. I ordered it online, got a couple boxes of it. I guess on sales, you know, a good clue, get what you pay for, I guess. But still, I don't know if I'm going to contact Academy and ask for something or what. But anyway, first time to try Remington Core-Lokt, not pleased. Just thought y'all should know. See ya.